So here we are talking about debugging in Python, meaning debugging using the print function. But only use the print function if you're working on smaller projects. If the project becomes kind of big, using the print function is not that wise. So for example, here I say for I in a range of 5, which means that I want to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what I say here at the end, I say at the end of after printing I want to put a comma. But put a comma only if I is less than 4. But if I is greater than 4, I want a space. So if I run the code, you can see that it printed for me after 0 it put a comma 1, but here after 4 it didn't put a comma because 4 is not 4 is kind of equal to 4 but not less than 4. That makes sense. Yes. Or here I could put that also after another space give me also another space, like a double space. So if I run the code, you can see it has increased the space. If I can even add a third space, when I run the code, you can see the space continues to increase. Then now here we can use now the f string also. So here in the f string we shall say that open my f string and I say put here I, and after that put here I times I. So it will be here 0, 0 times 0, and then here it will be 1, 1 times 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. Then if I go to 2, it will give me 2, but 2 times 2 is 4. 3, but 3 times 3 is 4. 4, but 4 times 4 is 16. And then here at the end, I want a comma and a space after printing, after putting out this f string. So after 0 and 0, I want a comma, then a space, as you can see here. Even here I never included a space, but if I included a space up there and I run the code, you can see that it also includes here a space. Now, then I will say if only do this, only include a comma and a space if I is less than 4. Else, I want you to put a what? And go to the next line. That's why it is finished in milliseconds, went to the next line. But if I had done that, if I had removed this next line and I ran it, you can see that finished in milliseconds came here. But if I put this next line again, it will go to the next line like that. So that's how you could easily use print to do some debugging, and you can even use it in other ways other than debugging. Maybe you could use it to make a triangle in the command prompt or things like that. So thank you for watching.